channel, you guys, and welcome to all that are new to my channel. I'm gonna take my glasses off because of reflection. Oh my goodness. But anyways, you guys, today I'm super excited because ARTEZA came through once again. They sent your girl some things, and we're going to be doing kind of like a back to school, what's in my book bag type of thing with them today. I know it's a little late to do a little back to school thing, but you know what I'm saying, we still gonna do it because you know I got my backpack back there, and I can't wait to show you guys the things that ARTEZA sent me. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm going to be opening up the packages that ARTEZA sent me. So we're gonna start off with this one. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Like, I just feel like it's Christmas morning. Oh my goodness. Let's see what they done sent me. Ooh. What is this? Oh, they sent me some markers. Okay. Look at that, y'all. They sent me some water-based ink markers. That's lit. I can't wait to try these out. I love to color, and I think this is gonna be super lit to try. And also, you know, this is perfect for like writing down your notes, like what to do, things you got to do. That's lit. So, but yeah. Okay, cool. We got some markers. Thank you, ARTEZA. All right, let's see what they sent me in this one. Oh, what's this? Some gel pens? What's that? Gel pens! Oh snap, this is perfect. This is legit perfect because I've been writing down like my schedule a lot more lately and things that I have to do. So this is like legit perfect, you guys. Like, I love gel pens, and they're perfect for writing down notes when you're at school. So this is just so awesome and so lit. So thank you, ARTEZA. This one I think I already opened. This one is a pencil case, you guys. Check out this pencil case. This pencil case is super lit. It's huge too. It has 64 elastic slots in it. So let's open it up. Let's open it up. Ooh, don't want to break my nail. I love it. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how cute that is. It got little splatters on it and everything. It's really artsy, and I just love it. Oh my goodness. Like, this is the cutest little pencil case, y'all. And then you just zip it open like that. And then look inside. Check that out, y'all. Isn't that cute? And you can just put your markers, your pens, and all that kind of stuff in there. Well, let me take out these little silica packets, or whatever you call that. And then, you know, they got the thing, so you can just change it up here. That's awesome. I can't wait to put all of my pens and markers and pencils and stuff that they sent in here. They even got a pocket in the front, so you can just, you know, put a little extra stuff in there that you have. But this is super cute, and they also have a little holder there, so you know. Ew. So that's cute. Okay, then they sent me this box right here. Let's see what they done sent in this little Amazon box right here. Got my scissors. Okay. Just, oh, did I shake the camera up? I don't want to shake the camera. Oh. Oh snap! What is this? For real? I needed this. A magnetic dry erase board. Oh my gosh, I was literally just talking about how I needed a dry erase board to write down the things that I gotta do, because y'all know your girl's running her own business over here, and I got to write down my to-do list. So this is legit perfect. It's 8.5 times 11 inches, so that's lit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. Like, that's so cute. Okay, let me try open it so we can see exactly how it looks. Wow, ARTEZA legit has everything, y'all. Like, literally, they have been adding so many new products to their website. Like, I remember like when they first like kind of came out and they just kept adding more stuff and more stuff. I'm just like, wow, they literally have everything that you need as an artist. Like, it's legit. Okay, let me get the scissors to do this part. This is super dope. I'm excited. Ooh, okay. They gave me 2 boards. Oops. I got 2 boards, y'all. That's lit. And they're magnetic. So that's awesome. And they even come with the stuff that you need. So that's lit. That's awesome. And then they got all of the markers and everything that you need. Like, that's awesome. They even have magnets. Oh my gosh. Okay, ARTEZA, I see y'all. Like, y'all are really killing it out here. This is awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, now let's check out. They sent me this really big box right here. So we're going to open it up. Wow. Oh, snap. Sketchbooks. You can never have enough sketchbooks, y'all. Okay, they sent me these 100-page sketchbooks. That's so lit. And then there's something in here in this box. And then there's another box in here that they sent me. Okay, okay. Now what is this? Oh, yes! Oh my gosh, this is so lit, y'all. Iconic pins. I've never heard of that before. Wow, make some art with some pins and stuff. That's lit. I remember when I used to draw with pens and stuff back in school when I didn't have no pencils on me. I would just use that pen and scribble away. So that's like super lit, especially if you like to doodle with pens and stuff. Okay, so now I'm about to open this box. Yes! Oh my gosh! Color pencils! Yes, I love it. Oh, they sent me the expert pack, 120. Thank you so much, ARTEZA. Y'all are lit. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to put all of this stuff in my book bag because this is everything that I would want to take to school if I was still in art school. This is legit like the best little pack, you know, like I wouldn't say a starter pack because this is a lot, but this is like, oh my gosh, this is everything. So I'm going to get my backpack right now. We're going to put everything in it. And then, you know, we can open some of the stuff and kind of look inside. So you guys, if you already didn't know, this is my backpack, my Raw 2020 Rawsueshii backpack right here, you guys. And we are almost sold out of these. We only have a few left. So if you guys are wanting to get this backpack before they're gone for probably a really long time, then check out my website at rawsueshii.com, you guys. So yeah, I really love my backpack, you guys. I had no idea it would be this good in quality. Like, I had no clue. So we're gonna see how much of this we can actually fit in here. And this is gonna be like my back to school, you know, backpack that I would be taking to school, because legit, this is like everything that I need. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so first we got the sketchbooks. I don't know if I wanna put both of them in here, but I guess we could try. So we're gonna put the sketchbooks in here. Oh my gosh, yeah. And then we're gonna put the coloring pencils in. Can we fit all of this stuff in here? Oh my gosh, I don't know, maybe. And then we're gonna put the iconic pens in here. Oh y'all, look at this. It's going in, y'all, it's going in. Okay, okay, and then we're gonna, should we put the pens and pencils in here? That we should, so that way we can have more space. So I'm gonna put the camera on the coloring pencil, pencil case, and we're gonna put some in there so we can try and fit everything into my backpack. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's do it. Alrighty guys, so that was the time lapse of me putting all of the, well, the markers, the twee markers, and that's 48 of them, and the gel pens, which is 24 of them. I put all of them in here, and you can fit so much more in here. Like, this is awesome, man, and you can just carry it with you anywhere, so that's lit. So we're gonna continue to try and fill up my backpack with everything. So next, we're gonna put this in. Can we fit it in there? Yes, we can. Wow. Look at that, you guys, it fit in there. Ooh, that sounded really heavy. Okay, so next I'm going to be putting in the dry erase board markers. So they give you 2 each because they give you 2 dry erase boards. So I'm going to be putting them in the inner pocket. I don't know if you guys could see it. Let me move the backpack up here. So there's an inner pocket here, which also has my very own Rawsueshii sketchbook in the front pocket. Yes, okay, you gotta have that on hand. So I'm gonna put her back in. Ooh, it's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but that's okay. So I'm going to be putting in the dry erase markers into these little pockets right here. You see them? So there's like two little pencil pockets here. Then there's a big area pocket right here. And then there's also a zipper pocket in front of that one, so you can put in some other things, and then another big pocket over here. So I'm gonna put all of the dry erase markers into this pocket. Okay, so I know that these come with 2, but you know, in reality, you're only gonna really need 1 if you're taking it to school with you. So we're gonna put in 1 of each of the colors into the book bag. So they give you a royal blue one, like a fuchsia pink, a red, a purple, a green. I mean, they just give you just all the colors you would want for your board. And they even give you like a, what would this be? Like a sea green. And you know, you got your orange in there. I think I said that already. And then you also have, these are actually, you put them on the board so you can, I think you put the marker in it. Yep, that's exactly what that's for. So you'll put it on the board and you can put your marker in. Lit, lit, lit. And then they give you 2 erasers. Let me just get them out so I can show you. They give you a black eraser with their name on it and a red one. So super, super duper cute. So I'm gonna take the red one to school with us. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put all the markers into this little front pocket here in my backpack. And then I'm gonna put my eraser in the other pocket that's on the other side. And we're gonna put in our dry erase board. I'm gonna just put that in the front. Wow, oh my gosh, it fit everything, you guys. Okay, but I'm actually gonna take out one of the sketchbooks because I'll probably just be taking one of these big sketchbooks to school with us. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take out one of them. But it's so awesome that they sent you 2. It's so nice. So the sketchbooks that I'll be putting in here, the sketchbook that I'm gonna be putting in here is this one. And it's like, it has like a denim material on it. It even has a little band, elastic band, so you can close it up. Wow, this is super awesome. It has 100 pages and it's ideal for a variety of dry media. So that's really cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put her in the book bag. Come on, girl, get in that bag. I know you can fit. Okay, and then that's it, you guys. That's literally everything that they sent me. I'm gonna zip it up so I can show you guys. This bag can fit a lot, so that's awesome. So put it on. And there you go, you guys. We got our back to school backpack featuring ARTEZA. Yeah, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. I love it. So, yeah, of course, in reality, I would have my iPad in the backpack along with maybe my laptop or something like that. Probably just my iPad, you know, if I'm going to school, take notes and stuff. that's probably what I would also put in there. But yeah, you guys, this is my back to school backpack video, y'all. I really hope that y'all enjoy it. Really recommend ARTEZA, y'all. They are so lit. They are awesome. Like, their stuff is super quality. So if you guys are interested in getting any of their products, definitely check my link in the description for percentage off of their products, you guys, so you can get that little discount, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you guys, I really enjoy doing this video. I really am so thankful to ARTEZA. Thank you, ARTEZA, once again for sending me your lovely products so I could share them with all of you lovely people who are watching right now. And I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and, you know, like to see, you know, what's going on in my backpack. So that's what we doing, you know what I'm saying? That's what we working with. Shopping. Super cute. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much once again for watching. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Rawsueshii and at Ray. That's my personal page. And also, don't forget to visit Rawsueshii.com because it's my shop, you guys. We are going to be expecting a restock very soon with the keychains and the raw gloss keychains. Stay tuned for that, you guys. I'll be updating you guys on my community board, on my YouTube page, and also on Instagram. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm really excited for all of that. And yeah, I had so much fun doing this video. Oh, I forgot to put the magnets in. So I'm gonna put them in real quick. Ooh, I just dropped the magnet. But these magnets are so cute. Look, they even got a little marbleization and stuff. That is so cute. I just love that they just thought of everything. Look, you can even put them in the side pocket right here if you wanted to. That's where we're gonna put them for now, but in reality, I'd actually put it in the inside pocket, but yeah, we're just gonna put it there. This is so much fun. I love doing this video. Really hope that you all enjoyed watching it. I hope that you guys were entertained and that you all got to see ARTEZA's amazing products. And I really hope that you all get some of them, you know what I'm saying? Try them out, let me know. Tag me on Rawsueshii if you do get some of ARTEZA stuff. And yeah, use that discount code down below, okay? So anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves.